Many of us humans, especially Christians, believe that Lucifer is the cause of all evil and darkness that has ever transpired on this planet. We call what Lucifer did a rebellion, projecting an image that Lucifer is somehow going against the universal cosmic plan. However, Unity consciousness sees Lucifer's work in a slightly different light. This work is not known as a rebellion, but as the Lucifer experiment. Now, dear esteemed viewer, why would it be called an experiment? Why indeed? Well, because this is exactly what it was, what it is. A test to see if certain parameters of life will work. Life, this iteration of life, is an experiment. The instructions from God at the beginning of the Lucifer experiment were for humans to have, to live, to be free will. But what does free will mean? Does it not mean all possibilities? Both good and evil? Well, does it not mean that we would be allowed to do anything we wanted, with the idea, from a biblical point of view, that we would learn discrimination for the good? I can tell you there is an angel of darkness created by God that watches over those who are walking in darkness. And that angel never gives up on anyone, any individual. For God is love, and God loves all, including the morning star, his first angel, Lucifer. If you agree, please hit the subscribe button and leave this video a thumbs up, as it indicates to the algorithm that the first angel, the morning star, loves you and has got your back. Namaste. Namaskaram.